Hey everyone, Marie-France here. I am here to announce deal of the day for the month of August, and you will be excited too when you hear about it because it is our amazing product, Gut Essentials Pre and Probiotic. Now, this is an outstanding product. We use it as part of our SLIMDOWN program and getting some really incredible results with the weight loss. But we have many reports of a lot of gut healing with many different issues. And so therefore, that is why it is an important part of our SLIMDOWN program. But of course, for anyone to use every single day. We know pre and probiotics are so important. So deal of the day, it starts on the 20th of August and finishes on the 21st. It lasts actually for 36 hours. So it starts at midday Mountain Time on the 20th and finishes at 7 p.m. on the 21st. Now, there's all the different time zones to calculate. So for our people in Australia and New Zealand, it will start early morning on the 21st and finish mid-morning on the 22nd for you over there. So now there's a very good saving. It's 20% discount on the pre and probiotic. So the cost is $42. Pretty amazing. It's a $10 saving for the deal of the day. So I think it's time to stock up because this is a product we use every day anyway. So personally, I'll be ordering a lot. But let's hear from Caden Ma. He is one of the formulator that helps to put this product together with his brother, Thomas. And so let's hear from Caden to find out a little bit more about the pre and probiotic.
I am excited to be talking about the Sisel Gut Essentials Daily Pre and Probiotic today because not only is the flavor coconut lime perfect in combination with the strawberry lemonade enzymes, but also the pre and probiotics are the perfect combination of the digestive enzymes and make a complete system for gut essentials to a healthy gut. This product is specifically formulated to nourish the good bacteria in your gut, which leads to a more balanced digestion, which then leads to the enhance of nutrient absorption, which then leads to a stronger immune system. There's a reason why they call the gut the second brain. It is because everything in your body involves around a healthy gut. All right, let's dive into the product. So if you look on the bag, you'll see a 35 billion CFU probiotics. These were selected specifically from 10 strains of Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium strains of probiotics. These were made to balance your gut bacteria that will reduce the harmful bacteria that can cause digestive issues, infections, health problems. These are also designed to strengthen the gut barrier. This will enhance nutrient absorption. Also included in this probiotic blend is prebiotics. This comes from 10 grams of fiber that also is about a third of the daily recommended 25 to 30 grams a day. We have specifically picked 4 different fibers to get main benefits out of dozens that they receive. These main benefits are to feed probiotics and the good bacteria in your gut. They also promote regular bowel movements. Also, it actually helps with weight management because it helps you feel fuller, causing a suppression in appetite. These fibers have also been shown to ferment into short-chain fatty acids. These are used as a source of energy for colon cells. They support intestinal lining. They have also been shown to lower your colon's pH that slows the growth of bad bacteria. And another interesting thing is they stimulate GLP-1 for appetite suppression, which also helps with weight management. Now, let's discuss each source. The first fiber we have in there, organic acacia gum. This is a gentle, slow fermenting fiber. This helps reduce gas, bloating, other common indigestion issues. And it's also a prolonged source of nutrient for that good bacteria. Also, we've added psyllium husk. This is one of the most versatile fibers on the market that forms a really thick gel that helps reduce the risk of constipation, but also it helps you feel fuller longer, causing that appetite suppression and making you not overtake on calories throughout the day with uncontrollable cravings. We've also added inulin from chicory root. This is a rapidly fermenting fiber that ends up quickly feeding probiotics and selectively feeds good bacteria from the bifidobacterium and the lactobacillus. Lastly, we've added apple fiber. This contains soluble and insoluble fibers. Soluble fibers improve digestion. Insoluble fibers help regular bowel movement health and long-term support for gut health and digestion.
Thank you to Kate and Mara. Now, isn't it an outstanding product? So amazing. So everyone wants to be on that product every day. So take advantage of the deal of the day. It's a great opportunity, great saving. Now, if you have some testimonials or some experience that you've had using pre and probiotic, we want to hear from you. So post them inside our Facebook group. We want to know everything and we want to hear your personal testimonial on this amazing product. Thank you. Enjoy the deal of the day.